Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to delete project on Claude AI. If you want to delete a project in Claude AI safely, here's how to do it easily. The first step is check your internet connection, make sure your internet is working or not. If your internet is not working, that might be problem for the app. Turn off your Wi-Fi for a few seconds, then on again, or use the system mobile data. If that is not working, turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds, then off again. And the second step is open the AI, Claude AI and log in into your account. And the on step is go to the projects, navigate to the project section from the main menu or dashboard, and go to click on setting, and here you will see the option of three dots. Then click on three dots, and here you will see the menu updates like new chats or projects and artifacts. Then click on projects and find the projects you want to delete. Click on the tap on it, and the other step is select the project, find the project you want to delete and click or tap on it. And the another step is delete project. Look for the delete option of another trash icon, tap on it, convert to permanently delete the project. And the last step is double check. Once deleted, the project cannot be recovered. Make sure you back up any important data before deleting. And that's how you delete a project in Claude AI safely. And thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you.